Performance. Today we are going to change the tire on this Tomos Moped. Haven't done this before, but should be pretty straightforward. We take this valve stem nut off and pry the tire off. So let's get started on it. We're going to take a little bit of soapy water here and spray it around the tire as a lubricant to help get it off the wheel. We got a couple of different prying tools here, neither of which are probably the recommended ones, but I'll try them out anyway. You should have no air in your tire. So it seems to be working for me here is I got the one bar in there and now I'm working the other one around. Okay, we got that side off. Now I have to start working on the other side, which actually is a lot easier. Okay. And you can see the inner tube is still attached. It actually looks like it's in good condition, but since it's 40 years old, we're going to change it anyway. Okay, and we will save this just in case the new tube doesn't come with one or something crazy like that. Now we're going to remove the rear tire. I already took the front off in the previous video, so I will have that video at the end so you guys can find it. We're gonna save the chain on this, so I'm gonna find the master link, take the chain apart, and take this rear tire off. Okay, I have the master link right here. It's hard to see because I got bad lighting. There is the master link, and so you take the clip off and the link will come apart. Okay, so this here is how the master link works. There's a clip, and then there's this retaining link here, and then you slide this out of the chain. So, pretty easy. So now I'm going to pull the chain out of here. And off of the tire. And we're going to soak it in an oil bath. This here is what we're going to use for our oil bath, so we'll put our chain in there. Do our best to make it fit in there one layer. And we're just going to let that soak in there until we're ready to use it. There's a nut on either side. We're going to take those off. Keep the parts in order. It has the same parts on the opposite side. Slide the wheel forward and it'll come down. And then you can pop the brake off of its hinging point there. And then let the wheel down like that. And you should be able to pull the drum brake out. You're just able to unscrew the axle. I'm going to put the axle nut back on. And then the drum brake should pull out. Okay, and we're able to remove the tire. Same process. Okay, to get the tire onto the wheel, we're going to have to first take it out of its wrapping paper. Then it's got little plastic things in there to hold it open. Pull them all out. And then clean up. So we're going to take some of our lube, put that on there. Set our wheel down and just slide it in. Okay, getting the first half of the tire on is the easy part. Then you take your inner tube. And you want to take the cap and the nut off. And then you'll put the air valve close to where the hole is on the rim. See, my hole's there, so I want the air valve there. And you want to put the tire in and get this valve through that hole. Sorry, you put the tube in and get the valve through the hole. Okay, once your tube is in, you want to put the nut back on the valve. Okay, once your nut is back on, then you want to start forcing the tire onto the rim and get as much as you can. And then, you know, you can use a screwdriver to help keep it on there. Should be able to get about half. Once you get about halfway or so, then you'll have to use some more screwdrivers. And you want to be very careful not to puncture the tube with screwdrivers. Tire irons if you got them, but flatheads work fine. Also, like, use the moped to hold the screwdriver. A little more lube maybe. Just keep working it around like that. Careful not to puncture your inner tube. And there we go. Tire on the rim. Next, we're going to put some air in it. Okay. There we have it. About 36, 37 psi. Alright, now we're going to put the rear tire back on. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Not going to lock them in too tight yet. Still got to put the chain on, so just want some adjustability there. Okay, and we'll turn it around and do the front. Thanks for watching this episode, guys. As you can tell, it kind of cut off there in the middle of nowhere, but I assure you I got both of the wheels back on it. What happened is the file corrupted. It happens sometimes. Nothing we can do about it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Peace out.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.